Dinengdeng is a traditional Filipino dish that originates from the northern regions of the Philippines. It is a simple and hearty vegetable soup that is packed with flavors. The main ingredients of dinengdeng are a variety of fresh vegetables such as string beans, okra, eggplant, bitter melon, squash. So these vegetables are typically cooked together in a pot and it is flavored with shrimp paste or bagoong. And as a vegetarian recipe, I replace it with light soy sauce. Tomatoes and ginger are also added to enhance the taste. Dinding is known for its light and refreshing taste. The combination of different vegetables creates a medley of flavors that are both savory and slightly sweet. This is not only delicious but also nutritious. The abundance of vegetables provides essential vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy choice for those looking to incorporate more plant based food into their diet. You can enjoy this with steamed rice, and it can be served as a main dish or as a side dish. This is very popular for its simplicity and delicious taste.